A lot of Canadians think your credit score only matters when you want a mortgage, but that's not true. Your credit score is influencing your entire life, right now, whether you know it or not. In fact, your score could be the reason you were denied an apartment, stuck with a terrible phone plan, or even rejected from a job interview. This number literally decides how expensive your life is, and most people don't even realize it. Let's break it down. This is Street Smart Canada, where we talk about money like it actually works. So, first of all, what is a credit score? In Canada, it's a number between 300 and 900. It tells lenders how trustworthy you are with borrowed money. But here's the part nobody tells you. You don't have just one score. You have two, one from TransUnion and one from Equifax. And they don't always agree. For example, I checked both of mine last week. Credit Karma showed 687 with TransUnion. Borrowell showed 770 with Equifax. That's almost a 100-point difference. Same person, same financial behavior, totally different scores. Why does that happen? Well, not all lenders report to both bureaus. Some only report to TransUnion, some to Equifax, some to both. So if you're only checking one, you're flying half blind. Always check both. Now here's where it gets real. Your credit score affects way more than just loan approvals. Let's say you apply for a rental apartment. A lot of landlords, especially in cities like Toronto or Vancouver, will check your credit before approving your application. You might have the income. You might be a great tenant. But if they see a 580 score, they might pass on you and pick someone with a 730 instead. No explanation, no second chance. Just, sorry, we went with someone else. Next, your phone plan. Ever wonder why your friend got an iPhone 15 Pro for $0 down and you were told you had to pay up front? That's credit score at work. Carriers like Bell, Rogers, and TELUS all pull your credit before giving you a contract. A low score can mean worse rates, higher deposits, or no financing at all. Even jobs, yes, jobs, can involve credit checks, especially in banking, government, security, or finance roles. The logic is, if you can't manage your own money, how can you be trusted with company or client money? So while your resume might be perfect, your credit report could be sending the wrong message. Now let's talk interest rates. Let's say two people walk into a dealership to finance a car. Same car, same model, same price. One has a 780 score, the other has a 620. The 780 person gets approved at 4.9%. The 620th person gets hit with 14.9%. That's thousands in extra payments, just because of a number. Same thing with credit cards. A better score means better offers, more cashback, lower APR, higher limits. A lower score means high fee, low reward starter cards that are harder to grow from. Now you might be thinking, okay, this all makes sense, but how do I actually build my score the smart way? Here's what worked for me. First, I opened a no-fee credit card, in my case, the Neo MasterCard. No hidden fees, good perks, easy to use. Then I routed all my regular expenses through it. Netflix, internet, groceries, gas. Stuff I was already going to buy anyway. The key was paying off the balance in full every month, automatically. I never let it build up. No debt, no interest, just consistent usage and clean history. Next, I monitored both credit bureaus, Credit Karma for TransUnion and Borrowell for Equifax. I checked once a week. Not obsessively, just enough to make sure things were moving the right way. And when I saw my score hit 700 plus, I realized, this isn't about gaming the system. It's about understanding it. Because your credit score isn't just a number. It's your financial first impression. And in Canada, that impression follows you. From your housing, to your phone, to your next big move. So if you've been ignoring your score, or assuming it doesn't matter until you buy a house, you're already paying the price. Literally. But the good news, it's never too late to fix it. With the right habits, the right tools, and a little time, you can turn it around. And that's what we do here. This is Street Smart Canada. We make real money moves the smart way, without the fluff. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments, where's your credit score sitting right now? No shame, just growth. See you in the next one.